All right, let's give cinnamon and clove their moment to shine in the grand tale of healing and wellness, a tale of strength and spice.
Dear Clove, have you ever noticed how people light up when they catch a whiff of us? It's not just our warmth and fragrance, it's the healing woven into our very essence.
Indeed, cinnamon. For centuries, I've been the warrior against toothaches, fighting infections with my powerful eugenol. My oil numbs pain and kills bacteria, a trusted remedy passed down through generations.
Impressive. But I, too, have quite the legacy. My compounds help regulate blood sugar, aiding those battling diabetes. I improve circulation, strengthen the heart, and even whisper relief to aching joints.
And let's not forget digestion. I step in when indigestion threatens, calming nausea and easing bloating. Some even call me nature's tiny anesthetic.
Together, we are a formidable force. I combat inflammation, lending my warmth to relieve arthritis, while my antioxidants protect against oxidative stress. People use me to strengthen immunity, and I stand firm against infections.
Ah, what a pair we are. Our presence alone in a warm tea or a healing balm brings comfort. We fight colds, flu, and even help the body battle free radicals that cause disease.
Indeed, friend. Whether brewed in tea, blended in tonics, or infused in oils, we help restore balance.
And now we stand ready, waiting for the next seeker of health to discover our hidden power.
Thanks for watching. Subscribe, like, comment, and share for more healthier stories.